In this video, I will share with you a beautiful A+ setup I was able to catch on US30, a setup that helped me secure over $3,000 on my prop firm account. This is exactly where I opened the chart on that specific day, and the first thing that I did on the 1 hour time frame is to mark my liquidity levels. Okay, I identified this as my most recent valid low, and I identified this as the upper liquidity level because we had these two highs here that were almost equal. After that, I just waited for the price to take either one of these two liquidity levels. We can play the price and we can see that the upper liquidity level was taken out, and we have a beautiful H1 sweep. That's a very important higher time frame confluence. Basically, the H1 candle went above this liquidity level but failed to close above it, as we can see. That for me is a beautiful H1 sweep. After that, I hopped on the 5 minute and I noted that we have a beautiful H1 sweep and that we have an A+ potential depending on the market structure shift. Now I wanted to wait for an aggressive bearish market structure shift to have an A+ setup and to of course take it. We can play the price and check it out, guys. Right here is where I was able to identify the aggressive shift. We can see we have an impulsive BOS towards the downside, a full body closure below this low, which is exactly what I wanted, and an additional confluence right here on the 5 minute. We had another liquidity run. Okay, so this right here was an added confluence. I was then able to identify this VVG, entered the sell limit right on it, stop loss above this high, and then I targeted 2RR. After that, I of course sent this trade in my community as well. And now let's play the price and see how it played out. We waited, and right here it tapped me in and it had a very beautiful initial reaction. Then it retested the break-even level here. We were patiently waiting. It was a bit frustrating to see it consolidating at the entry price, but then eventually it started moving, and in the evening eventually it smashed the TP right here.